Wondering how to track and pay your credit card bills? Download the Cred app where you can pay and track your credit card statements without any delay. Get wonderful rewards. Download the app using the link present in the description where you will be getting a free Uber ride and many more. Hey guys, this is Amar from Referrals Favor, Verify and of course your preferred. So guys, today I'm going to unbox XMate 3-in-1 charging cable where it connects to like iPhone and Android devices and USB Type-C. So this is how the packaging it came, and I have ordered from Amazon from in Great Indian Sale. And so guys, this is how it is. And so without any delay, let me get started. This is how the packaging looks like and nothing else in the cover. And yeah, there is one. So there is one belling here. So I bought it for around rupees, 350 rupees. And this is how this things and everything. And it was Pario Retail Private Limited. So this is basically from Amazon itself, one of the seller from Amazon. So this is how it is, and let me open this. So guys, this is how it is. XMate Metal Pro, that is 2.1 amperes 3-in-1 USB cable. This is how it looks on top, and on right we have some different kinds of graphics present here, and on the back we have power source USB, output iOS, micro USB and Type-C, and basically it comes with 5 volts to 2.1 amperes, and the transmission speed is of 480 Mbps. Cable material is nylon braid and cable length is 1.5, and the MRP return was here is around 700, that's all. And this is also seeing some graphics, and on bottom and on top we have nothing. So let me open this even. So guys, this is how it is going to look like, and I don't know why these are like this. Actually they have to be like this here, but those are not present here. So let me see what else we have in here. And love your gadget XMate, and please leave us a comment here, and that's all. So this is how it is. So let me keep this aside, and this one also. So this just a plastic casing for this. So let me go here, and you can check it. So let me remove this case. Okay, it is coming aside. And so guys, this is how the XMate 3-in-1 charging cable it was present. So let me open this covers. So this is for iPhone Lightning cable. This is Type-C cable, and there is another one, and this is of micro USB to micro USB cable, and here we have USB Type A. And so guys, this is how it is everything. So let me keep this aside. And so guys, this is how it, and you can check the length of it, and so it's almost 1.5 meters long, and this is how it is. So let me connect this to my basic iPhone cable to this. So this angle is very good actually. It doesn't come along and everything. So this is how it is. So now let me connect to my iPhone and test whether this is working properly or not. So guys, just now I have connected to my iPhone this basically, and so this is how it is. And now let me go to the main menu, and so it is charging perfectly fine. So this is how, and this is like if little disturbance also, it is not disturbing anything. And even though after applying the case also, and you can see the thickness of this case, and so this is how it is working perfectly fine. So it's the similar way it works for other devices also. And so this is how it is. And yeah guys, that's all. So this is how the 3-in-1 cable going to be worked, and the angle, the cable is very good, and the build quality is pretty good, but it's a bit expensive, 350 rupees. It's okay for this kind of material or for this kind of quality which we are getting, and the best buy link will be present in the description below. And yeah guys, that's all. Thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel for further upcoming videos. And if you have any questions, please mention me in the comment section below. I'll be replying you as early as possible. Thank you guys. Bye bye.